I'm trying to live a more intentional life. And first of all, these lights I tried to put up and make beautiful because this was my intention to make my closet look like this from the get-go. One strand inside, one side, one outside. So it'd be lit up on the inside and outside. Which I did do that, but I can't control the lights, so they're doing their own thing, which I decided. Life is, I guess what I'm saying is you can never make everything about your life intentional and just the way you want it to sometimes, but I can do things that are intentional. These are also birthday gifts. Painted one I got from, I just don't remember, and then bought the 6 I bought for her. I can intentionally. So, I just in the middle of the day, my boyfriend brought home, or not in the middle of the day, my boyfriend brought home cupcakes yesterday because someone just gave me cupcakes. And I wasn't ready to eat them yet. And I have these beautiful plates that are pinkie pie from my son that I never use because nothing's ever special enough as this. I decided I can do this because I've been waiting to use this plate. I've been waiting to use these candles. I've been waiting to eat the cupcake. So now I can do all three. A bunch of candles and my cupcake. In the middle of the day, just enjoy a cupcake with candles. My mind will look beautiful because it can. No, I'll even throw in yellow. And a blue. There's one more I'm going to put in. So the original idea was intentional. Saving the supplies, waiting to use it for something special. Now something special too. Spontaneity, instead of using one candle, I'm using however many here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't even count them. I'm going to light them all. Blow them out, make a wish. And eat a cupcake. Actually, I'm going to light it. Left to right side. A beautiful moment. A beautiful moment of time. This is definitely special enough to I'm sorry, just move it. Give a chance to be more and now I can do with the program. Like a walk. I don't really eat it. What never. Try not to speak it actually. But I don't typically eat cupcakes. And for good reason. Maybe because there's never really cupcakes around. Yeah. They're really for special occasions. So, if it is have one that's not for special occasions, anything can be special. Maybe special. That's all. I try to foster. I don't like the idea of branding and having to put everyone's face on everything, but boy, I sure have a piece of my face. Sure gonna make everything have a little more fun. Here's the light right clown. And the artist's name is Sophie.JewelArt. I don't know if that's Instagram or what, but yep, that's just an art show. Anyway, yeah, intentional learning. You can't always be intentional because life's full of surprises and change. In essence, life is nothing but change. Alright, be safe, drink water, and have fun. Try to keep this room very clean. I clean it every single day. Make sure it's pristine. Nothing's out of place ever. But you know, even everything on the desk is organized. Everything is very organized. With this, I'm just gonna leave it out because I can. Today's my spiritual cheat day. I've lived intentionally for so long in this room by keeping it simple. Now I can just leave it, and I will deal with it in an hour or two. Yay! Hoorah! Huzzah! Huzzah is better than hoorah. Huzzah! Ooh! Also, I cut my bangs. I forgot until I saw them. Yeah. Cut them again. I think they look better now. Okay, bye.
We should go, we go to the right. I can go to the left.
Yeah, it was actually better inside the window. We still tried that. Okay, first of all, well, not first of all, a couple things. I was watching a video on cleaning and like how to inspire you to clean. Not because I needed inspiration cleaning or anything, but I just found it's like this guy talking about just change one word in how you think about cleaning. Change it from I need to or I have to do this thing to I get to. You know, I have the opportunity to do this thing. Instead of I have to make my bed, I get the opportunity to have a clean bed. Some people don't even have beds. I get the opportunity to have a bed to make. So that led me to go get up and go outside and take the dog out and do a couple extra things because I was just doing stuff. And I put on this jacket and I found out it's reversible. And I've had it for I don't know how long. And I was going to get rid of it also, but I kept it. Something in my soul told me to keep it, and now I just am finding out it's reversible, which is so funky. I always thought these were inside pockets, but they're just regular pockets. Oh my god, is this another pocket? I'm just now finding another pocket. So curious. I only discovered it because there's buttons on both sides of it, and I was like, why is there buttons on both sides of it? Because it's a reversible fucking jacket. Anyway, I guess the lesson of today's video is not everything. Well, there's many lessons. Not every video has to be super long and in depth. You can get the point from a short video. If you just do a couple things in the day, it'll lead you to feel better, and you might discover something new. And just look at your old items that you've had forever and don't even think about, and appreciate them and really look at them. Anyway, I just wanted to share this. I also wanted to share this beanbag because I got this balloon dog and the beanbag chair, specifically in these colors, and I didn't know they would look so great together. I didn't even know they would be together, you know? I just got these items individually and they look so great together. Look at the color contrast. Ah! That's just a great little frame. The balloon dog with it all blue background. I love it. Life can be so magical. Also, look at this piece of artwork I created. Love it. I did this at a museum. It actually lets you create your art. Anyway, beautiful stuff all around you. Just have to look for it.